Welcome to the world of cafe and tea that anticipates your needs, bringing alive every experience of luxury with a touch of warmth. Come, indulge yourself with cafe and tea. Savor our unique range of tea, coffee, and soup premixes. Bringing alive rich taste and great aroma. And so our impressive range of vending machines. Meeting international food safety standards. Enjoy exotic taste wherever you are. Loved and cherished by our esteemed clients. Switch on your mood with cafe and tea. Cafe and tea brand carry one legacy: warmth.